Hi! In front of me is REALME C30 and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness on this device. First of all, just open Settings and click on Display section. Now choose the Adaptive Brightness and tap on this gray switcher to activate it. As you can see, after that, Auto Brightness is on. In order to turn it off, click on the switcher again. If you wish to, you can go into Tab menu as well, but this time choose this little A icon next to Brightness slider. If it's orange, that means that Auto Brightness is on, but you can always turn it off by choosing this same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!